everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable fast boot or fast startup. Both terms are used interchangeably on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this tutorial is being performed on Windows 11, and I'm going to show you guys how to go about doing that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and select that to open it up. Set your view by up in the top right to large icons, and then you want to go and select the Power Options button here. On the left side, you want to select where it says Choose what the power button does, and then select where it says Change settings that are currently unavailable. If you see an option underneath Shutdown settings that says Turn on Fast Startup, you want to uncheck that option if you want to disable it. If you don't see that option at all, that means you are not currently using and your system most likely does not support fast startup. And then you would just select Save Changes to confirm that. So again, you would uncheck the option for turning on fast startup if you wanted to disable it. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.